What's going on, everybody? Eric with Deutsche Auto Garage here today with an Audi S4, and we are going to be installing the TGK Motorsport transmission insert. So this is one of those little modifications that you wouldn't think would make a lot of difference, but it does. The idea is that whenever you press the gas, you have a little bit of slop, and this takes the slop away. So whenever you hit the gas, the car reacts quicker. If so facto, better performing car, I guess. So anyway, I'm going to show you what tools you need to get started on this. This one's pretty simple. Go ahead and get your car up on jack stands, ramps, whatever you prefer. It's going to take like 2 minutes to install this, but you need to get it up in the air. So you need your mount, obviously. You're going to need a torque wrench. I have a 3/8 here because I prefer this one. It's a digital. We're going to need a ratchet of some sort. I'm using an electric ratchet. You can use whatever you want. An extension and an M10 triple square socket. And then you're going to need that specific part number to actually replace both of these. So these are one-time use. Do not try to reuse them. If you do, you do it at your own risk, blah, blah, blah. You know, all that good stuff. So anyway, let's go ahead and get started. Oh, the last thing. So just for me, I like this. I put this on the metal, just makes it easier to go in. So I'm going to go ahead and change the camera over and let's get started. All right, so we are under the car. We're going to take our triple square socket and we are going to just simply break them loose. I didn't need the extension. It looks like it'll clear, but you may need one depending on your setup. A long bolt. All right, so if you're going to be installing your old bolts, 30 Newton meters. If you're installing new ones with torque to spec, you're going to do 20 plus 90-degree turns. So basically you'll end up around 30 Newton meters. But anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and spray this bracket now with silicone. This is preference, totally up to you what you use. Some people use Mercedes-Benz sunroof track grease. I've heard it's pretty legendary. I'm assuming it's gonna need, looks like direction-wise, it doesn't really matter whichever way you want the logo to go. Put it in there. Get your bolt ready like I didn't have ready. Become a contortionist. We'll start it just so it doesn't fall out. Make sure you start it by hand before you run it up in there, just out of best practices. All right, go here. Make sure that's started by hand. Kind of hard to do this one-handed. There, I know it's still loose. That one I'll drop. That one I'll drop. All right, so now we're gonna take our torque wrench. For me, I'm gonna put it on 20 Newton meters. Start there. Angle, which we're just going to do a 90-degree stretch. All right. And that's it. You're done. You have your 2 bolts in. You can't wiggle the bracket. Your logo is the direction that you so choose. Go take it for a test drive. Oh, I mean, obviously take it off the ramps first, because that's kind of important. All right, we finished up the Audi S4. We have our TGK Motorsport transmission insert in. Let's go take a ride. No difference there. Transmission insert seems just like anything else. Make sure the music turns on. All right, let's go for a ride. Wow. I mean, just immediately you can feel just when you're tipping in on the throttle, that sudden engagement, it's just a lot more apparent. Okay, so we're going around some turns. Feels good there. Nice firm engagement on the shifts now. Downshifts feel responsive. I'm not going to say it's a miracle worker, but the ultimate test to me will be when you stomp it from a roll and you're in top gear and how it reacts from that immediate jerk down. So let's test that. Oh, it automatically did it. Kick down. So, no, like NVH wise, 0 complaints. Another great part by TGK Motorsport. Tyler is a beast. If you have not checked out TGK Motorsport yet, definitely do. I don't have a coupon code or anything, and I'm not being paid to say that. It's just he's a really great vendor that's been in this platform for quite some time, and he's expanded to other platforms now. So S4, S8, he's all over the place. So check him out if you've got an Audi, really. TGKmotorsport.com. All right, so we're done with the S4. Like I said, pretty simple, straightforward install. You can do it yourself. We hope this helps each and every one of you install a transmission insert into your Audi S4 or your Audi in general from TGK Motorsport, because just great parts again. So anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for liking. Thanks for turning the little notification bell on, bing, that notifies you when we drop videos and content. So thank you. We will see you guys on the next one. Of course, the extension rolls and hits me in the face. Hope you've enjoyed this. Hope you've enjoyed this. Nope, the camera's in the way.